Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to connect your Trezor device to Trezor Suite. Connecting your Trezor device to Trezor Suite is the first step to securely managing your cryptocurrency. The connecting allows this app to communicate with the hardware wallet while your private keys always stay safely stored on the device itself. This process is simple, but it is important to follow each step carefully to ensure the both proper setup and maximum security. So first you need to launch your Trezor Suite on a device and make sure it's the official app and it will open with your Face ID. Over here, you need to connect your Trezor device. You need to simply plug your Trezor into your device using a USB cable or the adapter. If using iPhone, use a compatible adapter as well and allow the connection here. Over here under this interface, we can find there's an option for the connect tab there and select allow to find the Bluetooth devices for the Trezor and tap allow or connect if prompted and enter your PIN directly to the Trezor device, and this ensures only you can access it. And install or update the firmware if required and choose the setup. And you can now create a wallet after your connection with your Trezor. And that is it. This is how you can connect your Trezor device to your Trezor Suite. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.